So here's my old Unity game and I'm planning to make it in Godot. And here's the plan summarized into this game design document. Before we start, the game is called King and Queen, a platformer where the player controls the king and the queen to solve puzzles and reach the world together.
Congratulations!
The idea came from this game of Brackeys, as well as other games as you see on the screen. Core mechanic of the game is how the king and the queen interact with the platforms. The blue platform is only interactable with the king. The pink platform is only interactable with the queen. While the purple platform is both interactable for the king and the queen. And there's this special white platform where the king steps on it. This white platform turns into a blue platform. Same thing with the queen. If the queen steps on it, the white platform will turn into a pink platform. So, the players must find the right combination to traverse the platforms safely while completing the puzzles. The plan for this game is pretty simple: to copy this game to Godot and put it in Play Store and earn from its ads. And here's the steps in making this game. First off, since the game already have a direction to where it's heading to, for the first months I won't add any features yet. I want to see if this game translates into Godot smoothly. After making the copy will be the playtesting and the polishing stage. In these stages, we'll test if there are some things that needed to be changed. This includes features that will be removed, fixing bugs, creating new levels, and or adding a new mechanic to make the game more fun. After polishing the game, it will be put in Play Store as a free-to-play game and earn from its ads as the source of income. Lastly, to make this game into fruition, I'll be using these 4 main tools: Godot for the game engine and C# for the programming language, as well as the Visual Studio and GitHub for the IDE and the version control. For the in-game assets, I'll be reusing the old assets to reduce the game's development time. And that's the basic idea of the game. Thank you so much for watching and sticking till the end. If you want to help the game's development, here's my Ko-fi page. Bye!